All right, we're over here at Dave's Hot Chicken Sandwiches, and this is what we ordered, or what I ordered. And that looks delicious. We got Kyle, Tyler, Gavin, Liam, and of course, Faye, the wifey. All right, we're about to grub. This is a Friday, Black Friday. Jeez. What's your favorite sandwich, chicken sandwich? Let me know. Look at that, damn. Dave's, look at this.